Alright guys, we're back in Uhrichsville here, doing an update on the AutoZone that is being built here on McCauley Drive. It's coming along, actually coming along a little bit slower than I expected. Let me show you this quick. Here's how the building looks right here. We got the orange stripes going up. Looks like a little bit of a flood here. They're laying down the wire mesh here. This is all going to be concrete parking lot. That wire mesh just reinforces the concrete. You can see their trailer up at back here. But yeah, we're getting some painting done here. They got the glass up on the front. I'm assuming this pumps in heat while they're in there working. I don't know. But that's how it looks right now. I'm not going to go walking up there because, well, I just shouldn't right now. Even though there are no signs that say no trespassing, I just don't want to go up there interrupting their I just don't want to go up there interrupting the property right now. But it is coming along. I'm still kind of perplexed on why they would build an AutoZone right here when you can see an Advanced Auto right back there. So that is just like direct competition. Of course, I guess it's just the same thing when it comes to like these gas stations. You know, they'll build a Marathon on one side, and what's this over here? We got a BP over here. So even though there's not a Marathon across the street, you do have over here, there's like a BP, and then right across the street there's a Starfire. So I don't know, direct competition. Of course, gas companies are pretty much all funneled to the same place. So all right guys, well, that was just a quick look here at the AutoZone going in. Let me get you one more shot here from the corner. Now hiring. And of course, as I'm standing in the street, somebody decides they just have to drive down here. I mean, they could have pulled in right here. People. All right guys, I'll see you later. Peace.